The error "you need to format the disk and drive before you can use it" pops out when you connect your USB drive or other external drive into your PC. Of course, you have several methods available to repair your disk, but you likely lose critical files on your USB during the repair process. So the first action you need to do is to perform data recovery with reliable data recovery software, like EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Download this data recovery tool from the website or by clicking the short link in the description. Carefully connect the affected drive, and the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard can detect it once it is inserted. Choose it and click Search for lost files. Now the quick scanning starts, and you can recover any file found during the process. Wait patiently for the advanced scanning to end if you fail to locate your files after quick scanning. Now you can navigate to the file you want to recover by its type or path. Once you find your file, double-click to preview, then tap on the Recover button to get it back. Now that you have successfully gotten your files back, you can be assured that you can try fixing the problematic USB drive in the following 3 ways. First of all, you can do some preliminary checking, like try another USB port or a new device. If this doesn't work, try the following fixes. Fix 1. Run CMD Command. Type CMD in the search bar and choose Run as administrator. Now, you need to check the letter on your USB drive. For example, my USB drive letter is E, but you may have another letter drive like HF, so you better check first. Then type chkdsk space, your USB drive letter, and space /F. Then hit Enter to run the command. Now you have successfully recovered data, and you can freely access your file then. Fix 2. Use Windows Scan and Repair. Windows has a default scanning and repair utility that can fix some of your disk errors. You just need to right-click on your problematic drive and navigate to Properties. Under the Tools section, click Check and then choose Scan and Repair Drive. This process will proceed automatically, so you need to wait. Fix 3. Update or uninstall the device driver. Hold Win+X and choose Device Manager from the menu. Expand Disk Drivers and right-click on the error drive. Select Uninstall Device and then restart your system. You can also choose Update Driver and wait patiently for the process to end. Do remember to follow the EaseUS channel for more PC and data recovery tips.